Hello students, in this video I am going to teach very important topic partial fractions. How to resolve into partial fractions? First I explain what is partial fractions. How to simplify the given expressions 2 by x plus 3 plus 3 by x minus 4. How we do? We take LCM. What is LCM? X plus 3 into x minus 4. The sum of two unlike fractions by using cross product 2 into x minus 4 plus 3 into x plus 3. The numerator expand 2 into x 2x and 2 into minus 4 minus 8. 3 into x 3x and 3 into 3 9. Denominator also expand x into x x square, x into minus 4 minus 4x. 3 into x 3x, 3 into minus 4 minus 12. Simplify the like terms. We are getting 5x plus 1 divided by x square minus x minus 12. In the expressions, how to find the original questions? That is resolving into partial fractions. What is the use of partial fractions? Exam point of view. Resolve into partial fractions in direct questions. By binomial expansion, we use partial fractions. Integrations, we use partial fractions. Partial fractions is one of the important area. Two types of fractions, proper fractions and improper fractions. Proper fractions, the degree of numerator is smaller. Improper fractions, the degree of numerator is more. Proper fractions, there are three types. The first type, numerator divided by x minus 4 into x plus 3. Numerator degree must be less than 2. The denominator degree is 2. The denominator have two linear factors. We can write a by x minus 4 plus b by x plus 3. We have to find the value of a and b. We make three linear factors in denominator. X plus 2 into x plus 1 into x minus 4. We can write a by x plus 2 plus b by x plus 1 plus c by x minus 4. We have to find the value of a, b and c. Next, the denominator have quadratic equations. The denominator can be factorized x plus 2 into x plus 3. So we can write a by x plus 2 plus b by x plus 3. One more problems, x minus 7 divided by x plus 2 into 9x square minus 4. That term can be factorized 3x plus 2 into 3x minus 2. The denominator have three linear factors. The denominator product of three factors. We can write a by x plus 2 plus b by x 3x plus 2 and c by 3x minus 2. All these are first type only. Next, second type. The denominator have whole square or whole cube. So this type of problems, type 2. X plus 2 divided by x plus 7 whole square into x plus 3. We can write a by x plus 7 plus b by x plus 7 into whole square plus c by x plus 3. One more problems, x by x minus 1 whole cube. The denominator have cube terms. So we can write a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 whole square plus c by x minus 1 whole cube. All these are type 2 problems. Next is type 3. x plus 2 divided by x plus 7 into x square plus 3a. That time not factorize. The degree is 2. So reduce 1. So we can write a by x plus 7 plus bx plus c divided by x square plus 3a. This is okay. Next, suppose improper fraction is given. The sum of polynomial and proper fractions. The proper fractions can be resolved in any one of the three methods. So 21x plus 31 divided by x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 21x plus 31 divided by the quadratic equations can be factorized. We are getting x plus 2 into x plus 3. We can write a by x plus 2 plus b by x plus 3. By using cross product, sum of two unlike fractions by using cross product. A into x plus 3 plus b into x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 into x plus 3. Both the side the denominator cancel. So we write 21x plus 31 is equal to a into x plus 3 plus b into x plus 2. Okay, put x is equal to minus 3 and both the sides. Okay, explain substitution minus 3. We are getting minus 32 is equal to this time fully 0, b into minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. So b into minus 1. So therefore b is equal to 32. Next you put x is equal to minus 2. We are getting left side minus 11 is equal to right side. Each time are eliminate. The b time are eliminate. Minus 2 plus 2 the whole time are 0. So a into minus 2 plus 3, 3 minus 2, 1. So therefore a is equal to minus 1. So a value, b value, substitute the equations. Substitute the questions. 21x plus 3 divided by x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to a place substitution minus 11 divided by x plus 2 plus b place substitution 32 divided by x plus 3. Thank you to all.